Hello, my dear students. How are you? I know all my loving students are enjoying online classes. So, welcome back to online classes. I am Neha Gupta. I am going to teach you GK of class 2nd. Now, take out your GK book and be ready for study. In previous video, we had done two pages, page number 7 and 8. So, I just remind you, at page number 7, we had learned about desert life. We had learned that desert is an area with very less rainfall. We also filled this word grid. At page number 8, connecting us, in this chapter we had learned about means of communication and mass means of communication. Now, today we will start page number 9. At page number 9, the chapter name is What Do They Do? This chapter is about our helpers. We all need people to help us. We can't do everything on our own. So, here are some our helpers. So, the question is, can you guess what work these people do? Use the clue box to write the correct answer. Here is a clue box for us. So, from this clue box, we have to fill it. So, first question is, Mr. Mathur treats sick animals. He is a. So, answer will be veterinarian. Mr. Mathur treats sick animals. So, he is a veterinarian. Now, second question. Keshav Pandey helps to arrest thieves and criminals. He is a policeman. Now, question number 3. Vikas Chopra is the head cook at Hotel Star and Sun. He is a. So, give me answer. Yes, chef. Number 4. When a fire breaks out, Hemant reaches the place to fight the fire. He is a fireman. Now, fifth, Neha writes news for a newspaper. She is a journalist. And last, number 6, Ravi Gupta designs and builds machines used in factories. He is an engineer. You have to fill these answers in good handwriting and learn it also. Now, the next page. Now, page number 10, underwater. Here, we will talk about sea animals. A sea animal is an animal which lives in water for most or all of its life. Here, we have to fill these questions. Clue is given here, so from this clue box, we will fill the question. Question number 1. Which sea animal has 8 arms? So, tell me the answer. Which sea animal has 8 arms? Octopus. Octopus has 8 arms. Next, 2. Which fish shares its name with a person you can see at the circus. So, which person you can see at circus? Clown. So, clownfish is the name. Now, 3. They are animals but look like flowers. They live on the ocean floor. Can you name them? So, which animal that look like flowers? Anemones. Anemones is the answer. Now, number 4. It is the largest animal in the world and it's found in the sea. Name it. So, blue whale. All of you know about it. Blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Number 5. Which body part does a fish use to breathe underwater? So, from gills. Now, number 6. It has 5 arms and its name sounds like a fish, but it is not a fish. Name it. So, starfish. Starfish has 5 arms. So, you have to fill this in your book in a good handwriting and also learn it. Now, here is an activity for you. Can you reach the pearl hidden in the stomach of the fish? So, you have to reach the pearl. So, you can do it in your homework. Now, next page, page number 11. Here, one word grid is given. In this grid, some sea animals are hidden. You have to search them. So, name are here. We have to search shark, crab, whale, coral, seal, seahorse, tuna and clam. So, you have to find them in this word grid. So, like it, you have to do it. I have searched one for you. Rest, you have to search in your homework. Now, from this page, here is a question for you. You have to write this question in your GK notebook. First, you have to write the date. After that, page 11 and name of the chapter Sea Search. The question is, write the name of 5 sea animals. So the answer is shark, seal, whale, seahorse and crab. So you have to write this question in your notebook and learn it also. Now here is an activity for you. Join the dots and color the picture. So you have to do it in your homework. Now information bites. Here are some information of sea animals. Number 1. A jellyfish does not have a brain. Means jellyfish में brain नहीं होता है. Number 2. Turtles can live up to 100 years. Means turtles 100 साल तक रह सकते हैं. And the 3rd, if a starfish loses its arm while fighting an enemy, it grows another one. Means अगर starfish का कोई arm लूज हो जाता है, ख़राब हो जाता है, कट जाता है, तो वो दोबारा ग्रो हो जाता है। So these are the facts. Now I am ending this video. You have to learn it also. In next video I will take your test. So learn all the things which we have done. We will meet again in next video. Till then, have a nice day. Be safe at your home. Bye bye.